Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The latest version of the Brave browser, version 1.32, is now rolling out, and this latest release started rolling out yesterday on the 16th of November, and I received my update today on the 17th in my region of the world. Now, there's just a couple of add-ons, updates, and fixes in this latest release. So for a version update, the improvements are quite minor, but I think the big one here is that the Chromium engine has been upgraded to the latest version, which is version 96, which carries a lot of important security fixes to the Chromium platform, which the Brave browser is based on. Now, just to mention some of those add-ons and improvements quickly, Brave has added a native Brave wallet to the top right of the toolbar in the browser, which gives a little wallet icon now, which I think if you use the Brave wallet on a regular basis will be a nice little handy feature. And you can click on Get Started to set up your wallet. And welcome to the new Brave wallet. So if you use this Brave wallet, on a regular basis, this will be a nice little add-on for you. And then they've also added a link to the custodian dashboard in the monthly reward statements for verified users. And then the Rpfs feature in Brave has received some add-ons and improvements. Now, Rpfs, if we just go click on Learn More, is the interplanetary file system, which is a protocol enabling a globally distributed peer-to-peer network for storing and accessing files, websites, applications, and data. And if you use Brave, you can just come click on that link to learn more about the interplanetary file system. Now, this has received in macOS. If you use the Brave browser on macOS, they've added Apple Silicon Rpfs binaries for macOS users, and also improved error messaging when adding an Rpfs gateway without origin isolation. And also Brave has updated the payout banner messaging in the browser. And also send feedback has been removed now from the tab groups. So if you were using that and you use tab groups in the browser, that send feedback has now been removed. And there's also been a fix to the Brave Rewards wallet, where Brave Rewards wallet regeneration now has been fixed when the wallet cannot be read. So those are just a couple of the minor improvements and add-ons to the browser, which aren't many for a version update. Now, to see if you have the latest version, as always, we just head up to the menu, About Brave, and the latest version of the browser is now 1.32.106. And the latest Chromium version is 96.0.4664.45, which is exactly the same Chromium version now as the Google Chrome web browser. Now, to get to the release notes, we just click on the version. And I have mentioned some of these add-ons and improvements and fixes, but I think the big one here is upgraded Chromium to 96.466.445. Now, the reason I say that is because that latest Chromium version carries 25 important security fixes, where 6 were high-risk security flaws that have been addressed with this latest Chromium version update. So even if you aren't interested in any of these little features and updates that I've mentioned, check you're up to date, because, as I say, this latest Chromium version includes 25 security fixes with some of those flaws which have been high risk, which means if you don't update, you could be vulnerable and open to threat and attack in the browser. So that's more or less what's new in this latest version, 1.32 with Chromium version 96. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.